Japanese equities definitely rallied strongly, driven by two factors. One was the yen weakness, the other one was the governance story. If we think about the yen trajectory, with the US having entered the easing cycle, BOJ on the other hand moving to the hiking cycle, the currency is likely to probably stop significantly weakening or potentially even strengthen, which definitely has sort of been a bit more of the factors reversing from what we've seen. So that's not necessarily positive for the Japanese equities. Governance side is still ongoing, but a large part of that also is in the market. So nothing wrong with Japanese equities on a standalone basis, but would they perform better than other markets? Probably less likely. There are a lot of talks among the investors about the strong yen or the weak yen having an impact on the inflation picture for Japan. But ultimately, the BOJ policy should be centered around the Japan growth, which is not necessarily very strong. So when we think about the BOJ policy outlook, though there is a room for the BOJ to be raising interest rate by some margin, but it's not going to be a large amount, given that Japan has not had a very high interest rate for a very long time, and the economy is not going to be able to withstand the significant increase in interest rate. So the rate should be higher to give BOJ the policies to ease in the future when they need to, but also the magnitude that they can raise higher is probably not huge either.
投资一定有风险，基金投资有赚有赔，申购前应详阅公开说明书。